Hi, welcome to our error analysis short lesson. I'm just going to write. This is just an example because you've not done this before on what I'm looking for. And I used a old test question from our outsiders, and I'm not sure where my pen, oh, there it is. Here is the question. After Ponyboy recites the poem, what is Johnny's reaction? So you look at your questions. A, Johnny understands the poem. B, he doesn't understand. C, Johnny teases Pony for knowing poetry. And D, Johnny wants to become a poet. So probably looking at this, you can instantly mark out C and D, and you are left with your two answer choices of A and B. So you have this question, and on your paper for your error analysis, this is question number one. And say you said, oh, I'm going to pick B. Johnny doesn't understand the poem. So for question number one, which you missed, you need to put I chose B, and because you can actually use these notes because and explain why. Many times I hear students say, I chose B because Johnny, our characters, of course, Johnny Cade, is not a good student. And we know this from Ponyboy. He actually tells us that. Um, so I thought this made the most sense, or this was the right answer. The right answer, I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. The right answer, after you go back in the text, is look and see that Johnny does understand the poem. Because we realize that Johnny says, hey, that's what I meant. That means he took a poem and he added it to a situation, which in this case was the sunrise, and came up with a realization that that poem took that situation and explained exactly what he meant, the realization. But I want to know, I want to hear you say, I chose B because Johnny is not a good student, so I thought this was the right answer. And that's all you need to do. I want to know why you chose the answer you chose. And if you want to actually go on and impress me, to explain how you now understand the correct answer. All right, so here you have your explanation as to why you chose the wrong answer, why you thought it was the correct answer, why you did that, and then to explain now, and you'll be able to do that because I've loaded some information in that test about why the right answer is the right answer. It could be anything from a careless mistake to your actual rationale as to why you chose the answer that is incorrect. I hope that is helpful. This analysis is a grade. You're actually going to receive a couple grades for your Maisie May. Your first grade is going to be your essay. Your second grade is going to be the actual test grade. And your third grade will be your error analysis. And I will actually add these points into your test. So if you are unhappy with your test grade, this is truly a way to bring up those points. I hope this is helpful. I hope you are very good for the sub. I appreciate your hard work and your focus. Please be better than your best. I look forward to seeing you again on Friday.